Imagine you have to paint more than one wall at the same time and you don't know how to do that with the VR. I'll teach you how to paint more than one wall at the same time using the VR headset. If you're not used with that, I will explain step by step. I use a VR headset to project my art on the wall so I can see in scale, one by one, in real time, the real world and also my design, and I can sketch it using my pencil or any method that I use. And now I'm gonna teach you how to layer your designs. What this means. For example, if you see this wall, I have 3 walls that I need to paint. This one, and this one. Normally what I can do, I can upload my design on my VR headset and I can put it in one wall. So what you would expect is to paint it here, and after I need to do the art here and paint it here, and after do again here and sketch it here. And I will teach you how to lock 3 designs at the same time. So this means that I can lock this art, and another art at the same time, and I can sketch it in just one go. And if I had to do this in this wall and maybe on that wall too, this can work. I can layer how many designs I want and I can sketch it in one go, because I prefer that. So you separate it one time to adjust all the designs and another time to sketch it at the same time, and it make your workflow even better. So let's explain everything that you need to know to do that. To start that, I need to have 3 designs in PNG. Since this artwork is an entire one, I need to cut it in 3 different pieces and separate it as a PNG file. For example, this one is my first one and I will share as a PNG file. The same thing I'm gonna do with the second one as PNG. And the third one is PNG. And now you can ask me, how can I send this to my VR headset? The app that I use is Stencil VR, what means that it's pretty easy to upload everything that I want to my headset. I just need to enter in their website, I need to log in. I have an account, and the same account that I'm gonna log in also on my VR headset. So here I am, and I'm gonna upload. I'm gonna upload as number 1 the first file, as number 2 the second file, and as number 3 the third file. Now I have 3 of my files there. So everything that I need now is to enter on my VR headset, and I need to Wi-Fi just to upload that once. So if you're gonna do that on the streets or in a place that you don't have Wi-Fi, just be sure that you upload it at your house where you have internet, and after you don't need internet anymore, just for once. Now I just need to open my Stencil VR. Okay, I need to log in. I don't know why it's not logged on. It's already logging. And I'm gonna start it with the 3. That's the biggest one. As I always say, I prefer to always place the design with the controller. You have more control of where you want your design to be. So here we are. This is my design. Okay. Let's start with the scale, because we need to scale it a lot of times. Okay, we scale, we adjust. You can move the adjustment speed modifier, because if this is really slow, you can do really small modifications for details, precision. But as I'm moving the entire wall, I will put faster. So yes, this is faster for me to work on it. And I need to scale it a little bit less. And this is something that we're gonna do. We're gonna scale less and more and less, and we're gonna move and move till we find the perfect. Almost there. When it's just like really small, I don't grab and drag. I prefer to go to precise adjustment and put just a little bit, so it's easier to control it. And we're gonna adjust a little bit more. I think you're gonna also rotate a little bit. Let's rotate it. Yes, there we are. Now let's check if it's on my wall here. Yes, it's above, it's there, it's here. Okay, now we're gonna enable precise on camera, and we're gonna go to deep calibration. I need this to be more slush on my wall. So let's go there. Even a little bit more. And here we are. Now this is literally, this is exactly where we want. I will just rotate a little bit more here. And here we are. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna put on draw, because when you put on draw, you can see here. Go to anchor, okay, we need to anchor it. I'm gonna save the anchors. Now that I save you can see here, stencil position is saved. So this is already saved and I can paint it. But since I want to paint it one go, let's do the second thing. Now I'm gonna put on menu and I'm gonna open the second one. And you can see that I still have this one on the wall and I have this one that I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put the controller here and we're gonna just, I will retry. And we're gonna do the entire thing again and again and again until we find. We're gonna adjust everything, gonna be faster here. And I need to scale it. Scale a little bit more. Okay, now that I have this again, I'm gonna go to anchor, I'm gonna save anchors. And when I put on draw tab, you can see stencil position saved. What means that I can do the same thing. I can open the menu, go to my first one, that's my last one, put on controller and place it here. And here we are, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna save anchor, we go to draw tab, and now if I close my menu, I have my entire design as you can see here, and I can sketch it in one go. And when I do that, it's good because I will be sure that both designs are exactly aligned where they should be. And also it will make my workflow so much faster. So now it's time to do the fun part, that's the sketching part. I always use a pencil, and here we go, we're gonna sketch it. Tu nunca. And this is the result. I really love how this turned out. Also, the walls, since the design is connected, all the walls, everything seems like cohesive and harmonizes with the entire room. I really love all the flowers and how they are just blowing on the top of the bed, so if you're on your bed you can see everything. And with this technique it was everything so much more easier, so much more faster. I also have an entire course where I teach you how to use the VR for you to be professional and a perfect artist, or also if you want to do that at your home. And sometimes I also give you away some of my arts in PNG so you can use in your VR. Just go in the description of this video for the course, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you in the next video.